Hello everyone. A couple of videos ago I did a review of the steam cleaning machine here on the left. This one here is the UWANT Y100, and this machine did an excellent job cleaning up stains on different surfaces in my home and in my car. I really like how quickly this machine can heat up the water and treat the surface with either hot water or steam to remove old stubborn stains. Now UWANT actually has another steam cleaning machine that's one model up, and that's a machine that you see here on the right. This one here is the model B400. Now both machines look similar, but there are differences on how it operates. Now when you buy the Y100 or the B400, both machines come with the same type of attachments you need to clean various surfaces. So for example, this one here has a brush head at the bottom, and you have the same type of spray head with the B400. You also have the steam wand, just like this one here. There's also a scrubber and a soft pad that you can install onto this brush head to clean delicate surfaces. Comparing the two machines side by side, the hose you see here on the Y100 has a diameter of 1 inch, whereas the diameter of that hose on the B400 is 1¼ inch, so slightly bigger. Also, the length of the hose is slightly different. The one on the right is 5 feet long, and the one on the left is 4.5 feet long. There's also a difference in the weight. This one here weighs 5 pounds, and this one weighs 8.3 pounds. The noise level of this one here is 85 decibel, and the one over here is 75 decibel. The one on the right will be quieter than the one on the left. The rate of steam that comes out on this machine is 30 milliliter per minute, whereas this one here can output steam at 55 milliliter per minute. So if you need to clean a large surface quickly, this machine here can do it faster. The control functions on these two machines are very different. With the Y100, the control is using a knob at the top right here. And the control that's on this other machine is built into the handle at the end of the hose. I'll show you more of that later on. Now let's have a closer look at this B400. With this one here, what you want to do is clip this onto the side here. It allows you to store some of the attachments. And with this plastic piece, what you want to do, clip this onto the side, slide it in. This will allow you to neatly coil the power cord and stow it. Right here is the container that holds the clean and dirty water. You open up this top cover. In this compartment, this is where the dirty water will go in. Now right here at the front, there's a rubber cover. Open this up. This is where you want to pour in your clean water. Now when you're done cleaning and you want to dump out the old water, there's a release button right here. You can lift up this handle, press the release button, and lift this up. Now you can dump the dirty water. To reinstall it, just push it straight down and it'll lock it in place. Now with the previous machine, the control knob is right here at the top. There's the off position. You can select water, hot water, and steam. And on this new machine, you have the power switch right here at the top. Now to control the hot water and steam mode, the controls are built into the handle of the hose. So you see there are two buttons here. If you want hot water, press this button once, and the hot water will be dispensed. If you want steam, press this button 2 times, and the steam will come out. Looking at the end of the hose, this nozzle you see here is where the steam or hot water come out. And when you're suctioning the dirty water, it will go in on this side. To fill the water tank, remove this top cover, open up this rubber cover. Now you pour in clean water in the water tank. Close this up. With this other cleaner, lift up this cover, open up this flap, and pour the water into this water tank. I'll plug the cleaner into an outlet. Remove the hose. First I'll install this brush attachment. Next I'll turn on the machine by pressing a power button. Now press the water button once for hot water. The LED indicator is going to be yellow. You see the water spraying out? Give about 30 seconds for the water to heat up. Now attach your steam nozzle. Press this button 2 times for steam. Now the LED indicator will be red, and the machine is now heating up that water. And now you can see the steam coming out. Press the button 2 times to stop it. This is a Y100 steam cleaning machine. Now with this machine, the control is done using this knob right here. And just like the other machine, it does take about 20-30 seconds to heat up the water. I'll first show you the hot water mode. I'm gonna press the trigger here. Water will come out. Give it about 30 seconds and the water will be hot. Next, I'll attach a steam nozzle here. I'll turn it off to the last position, which is a steam mode. Press the trigger. And now you have steam coming out. Here's a chair that I'll be cleaning. Now there are some stains on here. I'll use one machine to clean one side, and I'll use the other machine to clean the other side. I'll first spray some cleaning solution on the surface. I'll let this sit for about a minute. Using the B400 machine, I'll clean the left half of this chair. I'll turn on the machine and press the hot water mode. Press it again, turn it off. Now on the front of the brush head, the suction is already on. I'm going to suction up the water. Now after the first pass, if you want to do another cleaning, press the water mode button again to spray more water and then repeat the same procedure. Right here is a Y100 machine. I'll use this machine to clean the right side of this chair. I'll turn this to hot water mode. Just like the other machine, the suction is on right now. Here's a look at the chair after it dried. As you can see, it's very clean, and there are no stains on it anymore. On this other chair, at this corner, there's a pen mark right here. I'll use the B400 machine with a steam mode to steam clean the stain. I will first spray a little bit of cleaning solution on this and give it a minute. I'm going to switch a steam nozzle tip with a steam brush tip. I'll turn on steam mode. Now put the brush head back on and vacuum the water. Now the surface is still a little wet, but you'll notice that red mark is no longer there. So the steam cleaning function was able to clean the surface. At this time, just let it air dry. So right here I have some ketchup stain. I'll use the hot water mode on both machines to clean the stain. I'll spray some stain remover. I'll start with the B400 machine using the hot water mode. Here's a look at the carpet after 3 passes. Now use the Y100 machine to clean the stain. Here's a look at the stain after cleaning. I did 3 passes. So this top section was cleaned with a B400 machine. This bottom section was cleaned with a Y100 machine. And you can see both machines did a really good job. Now there's one feature that I really like about UWANT's machine is the self-cleaning mode. Both machines come with this self-cleaning attachment. Push this onto the end of the hose. And you want to use the hot water mode to pump the hot water into the end here, and it'll suck back in. That way it'll clean all the dirty water in the hose. You can do the same thing with the other machine. I'll start with a B400 machine. Use the water mode. Now the water is going to circulate and clean the hose. Here I'll clean the Y100 machine. When it comes time to emptying the dirty water on this machine, press the release button and then grab the handle and lift the container out. Take it to the sink, open this up, and you dump the dirty water out. With the other machine, grab the handle on the side and just lift this up. Now you can dump out the dirty water. After you rinse everything out, before you put it away, make sure you let it air dry. So after testing both the UWANT B400, both machines did a great job cleaning up the stains. And as far as time to heat up the water, both machines took about the same time. With the B400, I like the fact this has a storage for the power cord and also a storage for your accessories. Whereas on the Y100, you have to strap the power cord using the Velcro strap and you don't have any onboard storage for the attachments. Y100 steam cleaner. One big plus with this machine is the handle at the top. It allows for easy transport. On this machine here, you have this grab handle here that's tucked underneath the top. I just find it's not as convenient as the top handle over there. Lastly, with control of these two machines, the one on the right has a control knob at the top, and this machine has control on the handle itself. Now by having the control on the handle here, it does allow for quick access to the steam mode and the hot water mode, whereas on the other machine, you have to go to the machine and turn that knob to switch the mode. But other than that, I think both machines are very capable. And if you want to learn more about either of these machines, I'll include the link below. As always, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.